Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. We are just taking a quick look here at Verasity on the daily time frame. As always, please do like and subscribe, really helps out the channel. You can see this overall macro picture for Verasity is looking very tasty indeed. I post about this almost daily on my Twitter because, to be honest, this is the only thing that really matters, isn't it? The long term. People are getting so wound up about 10% moves up and down in the local area, and really it's absolutely nothing in comparison to the big picture, where we're probably going to see thousands and thousands of percent for Verasity over the next few years going to the upside, in my opinion. And it's just very pointless really to get too sucked into the narrative in the local area. In reality, if you bought anywhere from here to here and sold from here to here, which is, in my opinion, fairly likely to happen, then it's probably going to do very well for you. And that's the kind of thing that people should be thinking about. Not necessarily 5%, 10% moves in the local area, which are basically nothing on the chart. But you can see this macro picture looking very good. It's very simple. Backtest, retesting. It's just support, resistance, support. And now we're looking for that resistance touch going into the bull market next year or the next few years. You can see here the end of 2024 and then maybe the overextension going into halfway through 2025 up around $1 or $2. I do think is possible for Verasity. Obviously, it's going to be quite a stretch heading into 30, 40, $50 billion market cap for Verasity, but I do think it's very possible considering how good this crypto is, in my opinion. And we've obviously seen previously huge moves for this crypto as well. The all-time high sitting around 8.5, 9 cents. I do think we could easily get to that and probably do 5 or 10x more than that, heading up into the 50, 60 cent levels. Maybe even up to 70, 80 cents would be, realistic in my opinion. $1 plus is obviously a very nice round number, but these numbers tend to be massive points of resistance for profit taking, obviously. But we'll just take a little look at the local area, and you can see here really it's just that very simple case that I was talking about before. You've got the break to the upside out of that bear market resistance that we saw for Verasity for such a long time. Break, and then you can see here consolidating in this descending wedge, and now heading up with that break to the upside again. You can see here basically the technical target is up very cleanly up to that 618 Fibonacci, which is at 2 cents. That's my next technical target for Verasity. Obviously we've got the Fibonacci's to start getting up for it, and we need to beat this swing high here at 1 cent. But overall, a crypto that is doing very well. Very pleased with its progress, and I do think it's going to start doing very well going into the future as well. This chart just looks super bullish to me. You can see basically this huge move about an over a 50% retracement, coiling in around that 50% retracement level, and going into another bull market we could see some big price movements for Verasity, in my opinion. So that is it for today, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment, etc., and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.